New year, new you. You've undoubtedly heard it over and over and over again. It's a cliche. But cliche or not, credit unions and community banks are in desperate need of a transformation, of a fountain of youth. Because right now, they're wasting away. So let's get into why you're losing the battle for Gen Z and strategies you can use to bring them into the fold. According to a payments.com report, Gen Z comprises only 4% of credit union members. However, research shows 70% of the younger generations bank with a mega bank. I mean, let's just say it. That's an absolutely abysmal number. That's a lot of deposits not entering your accounts. That's a lot of money you aren't loaning out. And that's a lot of relationships passing you by like ships in the night. But why is the number so low? After all, community banks and credit unions' emphasis on service seems to align with Gen Z's preferences for causes. Well, the answer is twofold. Number one, digital experience. And there are really two kind of sub-issues here. One is a concrete problem and one's more of a perception problem. Now, the concrete problem is that some credit unions and community banks really are behind the digital curve. These institutions need to invest in updating their core, their online banking, and their digital services now. No, it's not cheap, but it's a lot cheaper than losing Gen Z's future business. Now, the perception problem is that Gen Z views community institutions as digitally behind simply because they are smaller. You need to fight this with information about your digital services, particularly your ease and convenience. Time your online account opening and loan application process. Tell Gen Z it takes only 90 seconds, or whatever your time is, to open an account. Gen Z hates roadblocks, so showcase how you remove barriers in their way. Number two, Gen Z doesn't understand community institutions. You need to help Gen Z understand what credit unions and community banks actually do. For credit unions, 2 out of 5 non-members think they can't actually join a credit union. And many young people think credit unions are a special kind of club, kind of like a country club. For community banks, Gen Z may not understand the advantages in community service, personability that you hold over mega banks. Take the time to educate people about your benefits and what you do for the community. Show Gen Z your values align with theirs, and that mega bank they're using, it's pretty far from what they actually care about. Show them how you save them money or return money to them. Credit unions specifically can use less, country club language like join and member. Instead, be direct. Ask people to open an account, become part of the credit union. Never assume Gen Z knows what you're all about, because they don't. Well, at least not yet. So keep asking yourself, what's our fountain of youth? Because you'll find it, as long as you keep taking risks. You can't wait to see the younger you. See you next month.